alphabet lore.
That's right, lowercase p from alphabet lore. We've done them all so far. It's been an absolute blast. Come along with us and draw lowercase p today. You ready to get started, Landon?
Yeah.
One, two, three.
First thing is the eyeballs.
Yep.
Almost always with these alphabet lore characters, it's the eyeballs. So we've got a square with rounded corners. All right, first one's on a little bit of an angle, so it's gonna start like right about here. And just go up like that, and then if you put your paper like make this line horizontal, then you don't have to worry about the angles. Just draw a regular square with rounded corners. And you can see I didn't do very well there, but I can easily thicken that up to make it look better. So we'll do that in a little bit. Okay, good. Now the second one's tucked in behind this one, and it's also on a little bit of an angle. So it's gonna come out, starting right about there. It's gonna come out like this, and now I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna make this horizontal, so I'm just making a square. I'm not gonna worry about all the angles and all the different things that are happening. Okay, so they're reasonably close in size, and they're angled how they should be. Nice. Okay, not bad, right?
Yeah.
Now we'll put the pupils in, thicken and color eyeballs, make them look how we want them to look, and then we'll keep going, okay?
Yeah.
So the pupils are pretty big. The pupil in this eye is gonna come down pretty close to the bottom. It's gonna curve up in the back, and then it's gonna come back this way and curve to the outside edge here, and then that'll all be colored in black. Now, the next eyeball is pretty similar. We're gonna go, except for now, of course,
It's on an angle.
it's on a little bit of an angle. So this one's gonna come up like this. It's gonna just barely tickle the other eyeball, and then it's gonna come across the back, and it's gonna actually run into the side wall of the eye right there. So this one's a little different shape. And then that all gets colored in as well. All right, now we're going to add the little eyelashes. P has a couple of little eyelash things going, so it's just gonna look like this. From right here, you do a little curved line, and then you just fill the top in with a dot. Okay, so you're just gonna get a little bit of a smaller one underneath, and then repeat on the other eye. Next is the body. So the body of P is going to, the first move we're gonna make is we're gonna start right about there on this eyeball that we've made. We're gonna curve it over a little bit, and then we're gonna come with a straight down piece, all in one motion. Now what we don't want to do is make it go down too far, so I'm gonna kind of use my finger as like a basic area where I want it to end. Okay, so, and it looks like we've got our P's situated a little to the side of the paper. Is that okay?
Yeah.
We're not going perfection, we're going for
Fun.
That's right, fun. So, the first move that we're gonna make here is we're gonna take this and go straight across the top. I'm gonna turn my paper. It's gonna go not straight across the top, but it's gonna curve across the top like this. And then it's gonna drop down and basically go straight down to about where my finger is. Excellent. Now, we're gonna make the bottom of the P, and we're gonna make it about as thick as,
That eye.
not quite to the edge of the eye, but almost. So like right about like that. So just kind of give it your best guess. And this gets rounded, and then this gets rounded. We go back up to about there. About halfway between the bottom and your eye. That's where you want to stop. Now we're going to imagine that this line comes down through the eyeball, okay? And it comes out the front of the eyeball. Obviously it doesn't go through the eyeball, but it's behind the eyeball. But we're going to imagine it going through. It's going to come out right about here. And then we're just going to complete. So mine might be a little bit low, but I'm going to just go with what feels right.
Yeah, go up.
And I'm just going to complete P like that.
And then you can go up.
And then I can go up and meet that, okay? Now, the next step, Landon, we're almost done before we have to color, is the mouth. And the mouth is a little slight curvy right here, coming off the front of the P, and then it runs into like a little mouth fold there. Okay, we both don't exactly love how they look right now, but we're gonna thicken them up and we're gonna end up liking them. We're gonna see this drawing through, and we'll show you what they look like. So we'll just fast forward that right now. One, two, three.
That's remarkably fun to say. So these are our lowercase p's from alphabet lore. Did you have fun, Landon?
Yeah.
Yes. We've done all of them, lowercase up to
Yeah.
P. And we've done all
Uppercase.
uppercase. It's been a blast, so check them out if you haven't. Until we see you next time, keep drawing. Stay awesome. Bye.
All right. Good.